So this is a C chord, one of the first we learn when we're playing the guitar. I'm going to go through some different levels of it, starting at complete beginner and then building that up until we've got the full C chord. So here we go. This is the first one you will learn here, just with the first finger in the first box here on the second string. Okay, make sure you use your fingertip, push down nice and firmly near the metal line here, but not on it, just behind it, and just play your bottom three strings. And that's what we should get. Okay, now don't hold your fingers around the back of the neck like I am here. Just relax them. I'm just holding them there so you can see my finger clearly, okay? So just relax those fingers and play. Right, now the next step up, so this is more when we're looking at kind of the rock school debut grade, we're going to add the middle finger as well. So that is going to go on the fourth string in the second box here. Okay, so I'm going to count up 1, 2, 3, 4, and there we go. So I'll just pull these fingers out of the way so you can see that clearly again. So that stays there on the second string, and this is now on the fourth string. Okay, and you are only playing 4 strings. There we go. Again, make sure you use your fingertips. Should be nice and clean. Watch out for any of this kind of noise where your finger is at a bit of an angle and it might be touching the string underneath it, so it doesn't sound very good. Okay, like that. So the fix for that is just coming right up on your fingertip and just making sure you're not touching any other string. Right, now the full C chord, so we're now talking about grade 1 and up, is adding another finger. So we're going to add the third finger now, and that's going to go on the 5th string on the 3rd fret. So that's just the 3rd box here on the 5th string, just like that. Okay, I'll just pull that pinky out of the way so you can see that again. There we go. All right, now notice I have a bit of an angle on my hand, so my fingers are kind of pointing towards me here, rather than trying to play completely flat like that, okay? Much more natural and comfortable in this position. Now we've got all 5 strings that we need to play. And that's how it sounds. And again, just check each of the 5 strings, making sure they all ring nice and clear and you don't get this kind of thing going on. Okay, again, I'm just on purpose now just to show you, but I'm touching the strings underneath my fingers just by lowering my hand a little bit. So right up on your fingertips, okay? And that's how you do a C chord in 3 different levels. Complete beginner to debut kind of level, and then grade 1 and above.